Hi everyone, welcome to You Like Showroom. I'm Lorena. The item we are introducing right now includes a desk. If you followed us before on the Canton Fair or the last Shanghai Fair, actually maybe you have seen this item. And it's in good quality. And also here we got our new showroom, and also we put this in a room. And we would like to show you how to decorate your bedroom or your study room. So here the desk, actually the material is in MDF with the blue painting. When you pay attention to the color of the desk, you may realize that it got the same color with the new iPhone. So for example, if you want to get the same color with your phone, I recommend you, maybe you could buy the same color of the desk. And also for this table, this desk, if you want to work or study here, it's very convenient, and you could pay attention to the drawer and the space here. Actually, I think this one is very convenient. For example, if you don't need the computer, you can just put it here, and maybe you can got more space on the tabletop. And the handle is in golden painting, so you can see it's very smooth. So you don't need to worry about it will hurt your hand or your skin. The space for the top is not very big, but it's quite enough for your small study room. And so you can work here and read some books. You can match an office chair like this. And for example, this one with the swivel function, so you can see I can switch very freely. And also for this dining chair, it's quite hot selling this year. And the fabric on this is with the linen fabric. It's very soft. And also this is a fabric very suitable to put on the chair and the sofa. And also the leg is very unique as well. It's not round and neither the square, but the oval shape. So I think this is a great match. And also, of course, if you like to change some other for the chair, you can also change the color. So if you're interested in these two items, welcome to contact with us.